Hi, we're here at Embleton Quarry Nature Reserve on this lovely spring day. Our Bluespaces scheme has contributed to helping the volunteers continue and build on the amazing work that they're doing here to revitalise and conserve this site. And Kevin and Margaret are going to tell us all about it.
So this is Embleton Quarry, a whinstone quarry which opened up in the 1860s, worked for 100 years and was a prime employer of the village, exported whinstone all over the place, Mersey tunnels paved with parts of it, and it was a huge part of the village economy. And when the quarry closed in 1961, it became a council rubbish tip. It was then capped off in the late 70s, early 80s, just with a thin layer of clay and soil, and was left. So it's now in the hands of Embleton Parish Council and is a really valued nature reserve with all sorts of microhabitats of all kinds of descriptions.
Absolutely, yes. It came to us as a grassland and scrub site, and that's the management that we have to maintain basically, and a certain amount of scrub. So that's our main objective, but we have planted two little woodlands as well, one at the north end and one at the south, to allow for diversity. We've got cliff faces, which are special, the Winston cliff faces. We've got Winston plateaus, which are wind grassland, which again is a very special habitat for Northumberland. We've also got this wetland, which is really important. It was meant to be a boating lake, a little shallow lake, but it's now just got this abundant array of different species of birds on it. We've got swallows, sand martins and house martins flying around, these migrant birds coming in. We've built a martin bank if the sand martins wanted to stay, and we've got lots of these little micro habitats for wildlife.
And we've got 8 sorts of bats on site. So this water is really invaluable, especially for the ones that dip low. So having bat walks here is fantastic,
really excellent,
isn't it?
yes,
to be able to bring people down onto the jetty. And the Bluespaces grant has enabled us to put up some extra bat boxes to build a bat roost in the overflow. So we're hoping that
and
will
importantly
be
improve the access, and it's virtually access for all now, wheelchair users, people hard of walking, and just people who just want to spend some time here. It's available for everybody now.